everybody want to get old, but getting old comes back. No, I just thought about what your old man said. He said, I used to be able to do that. And it's like a lot of old people remember that shit. But they used to be able to do it. And it's like, man, that statement comes with a thought, like, I wish I could still, or when I used to do it, it was like.
The only thought is, you know, you lose it, you lose it.
That's what I told you. I love it. Man, don't think like that. You got 70-year-olds out here still running a mile around that track. Like a 20-year-old.
They all blues.
I ain't never heard of that one. I don't even know what to say. Like, that's yeah, bro. He said he's 40 something. He look like he's about 20 something. Yeah, but that's a time machine. I know how to time travel and sleep. I said, yeah, bro, I'm not doing this. You said that shit. My brain, I had a Jimmy Neutron brain blast. I'm like, this nigga knows some shit. This nigga's sleep. Wait, said some bullshit behind that. Like he ain't know how to rebuttal. I'm like, yeah, you ain't know about this time machine. you ain't know about this. Yeah, I can't remember what he said. But you said it's just so confident. Sitting back chilling, I'm like, shit. There's one right there behind you too. Them shit's heavier than the ones behind me. They're like 2 arms. You got all them 2 arms.
How people feel related to their experience.
Yeah.
So it'll be, that's why certain music trigger people, certain colors, certain. You don't put an atmosphere to people, they feel an emotion attached to a personal experience. So in order for you to overcome that, you gotta go back.
That shit ain't right. It's like a.
You gotta go back to the past and change how you feel about the situation. And the way you do it through meditation. See? So Will Smith be talking about the book of Will.
Oh, that's what that book talking about? Like he found himself and wrote about it. Right. Oh my God.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All righty. How we coming along?
Coming.
You
Trying to do
coming?
it today, thing.
At least the sun went down for a little bit.
Oh, I like the sun.
Oh, you like this?
Yeah, see how dark I am? I roast.
I see.
What crazy.
He's crazy. I don't like the sun.
Gotta get some vitamin D.
I know. Too much not good.
Vitamin D is very
So what about those crease one left? You guys gonna throw some sand or something, or that's gonna just fill in by itself?
You say what?
Those crease like.
with the cracks.
Yeah.
We can put grout, we can do sand, we can just put the dirt, but like, it's whatever. That could be a part of the design. That's why I said we gotta lay it out first.
Oh, okay.
You either put sand or you
With sand and dirt, that's basic. You got that
caulk
here.
it. Caulk
Yeah,
it.
caulk.
Caulk.
But that's
Caulk is messy.
no, that's like grout. Grout almost look like this, but whatever color you want.
Oh, okay.
Caulk is like this.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So it's a lot you could do, but right now we just want to make sure we get it down.
Get it done, yeah.
And flat, straight. Yeah. Flat and straight is the first part.
That's the first part, that's right.
Yeah. talking about in the book of Will.
Yeah?
Yeah. You seen Will Smith's new book?
Huh?
Will Smith's book?
What book?
He got a book about his life. Will Smith? the
Will
actor?
Smith, yes.
The book of Will?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes,
Jay was just telling me about it. About it being about willpower.
Uh-huh.
A lot of people ain't got willpower. Or the right amount. A lot of people not focused.
I know.
See the amount of hard work that goes into this type of work?
Yes. Very difficult.
You
Yeah.
gotta be in shape.
And see that middle there look like it needs some dirt, right?
Which one?
That right
This
there?
one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a good eye. You might can do this. You might can do this yourself. See, you put it a bit high, because when it rains,
Mm-hmm.
it's gonna
Oh, okay.
settle.
Oh, okay. Boss man don't get his hand dirty, huh?
Say what?
The boss man don't get his hand dirty.
Oh no, he had a little issue in the past, so we try to alleviate as much stress
I see.
and work.
Yeah, he just had a stroke a couple
Oh,
months ago.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry to hear that.
You said sorry?
Yeah. Yeah, I usually don't do this type of work, but I figured, you know, y'all some pretty nice people, so I figured I'd
thank
help
you.
y'all
Yeah,
out.
thank you.
With me,
Yeah.
you got the right guy to do it, because I probably would charge y'all about $10,000 to do this.
Oh.
Yeah. It'll be good. It'll last about 10 or 15 years, as long as you don't dance on it too much.
Oh. Well, I don't know about that now. When I have the party going on, you guys might come back out and dance on it yourself.
I'm gonna have a party tomorrow, my birthday.
Oh, tomorrow's your birthday. Well, happy birthday. How old are you going to be?
42.
Oh, stop. You're not
You
42.
good friend?
Oh,
Absolutely.
wow. You got birthday celebrate tomorrow.
That's crazy. I'm
Wow.
gonna bring you something. I didn't even know. I
Uh-oh.
heard you say something too. Lucky all I got is $15.
You don't look like 42.
What I
Nah.
look like?
You look like, I would say like 30, maybe 33.
No.
You don't look like you 29. That's some gray hairs, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, you like you 20 something.
This is what, 42?
yeah, he looked like only that.
When I met him
33.
when I met him 4 years ago, I thought he was 20 something.
Really?
Yeah.
This
Oh,
is
you
what
look
42
good.
is supposed to look like.
Wow,
I
yeah.
can believe that. I know I'm gonna stay there for 25 for a little minute.
See my dad, 63.
Oh, wow.
And he don't look 62 neither.
Nah, he didn't look like,
That's why you say, why he don't doing no work? He old man.
He looked good though.
Yeah.
Yeah, he looked good for 63. Yeah. Let me go there before he come back and catch me out here and start yelling at me.
You say you a supervisor?
Now tell me, ring the doorbell if you guys need help, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Like Solomon said. I ain't gonna forget you. So certain people talk, they don't know. I don't tell everybody unless I've been kind of fucking with them or and just get like a daily basis type thing. Or I just gotta explain that shit. But if I can learn something for you, from you, or you gonna keep it 1,000 all the time, fuck my feelings, you gonna let me know what it is, yeah, I can fuck with you. Yeah, I'm really, like your old man say shit, and I be like, yeah, this is Jane. He ain't only saying this because he's right. He don't care about, you know, how I feel about it. It's right. That's why I give more energy, or I should give more energy to something like that. I'm gonna remember shit like that. People like that. You know, in the movies, they be on the shows, they got that person echoing in their head when they think about, like, damn, what that nigga telling me? People like you, your pop, twin, my pop, my homeboy locked up, certain situations, I be like, what that nigga saying? Be like an echo. The organisms found in the fossils, oh shit. So when I run across some biodiesel degradable fuel, it's like, this ain't new. This was what bro was talking about. Yeah, I think this what? Information seems advanced. It's just we not as advanced as the information. That'll be one thing that'll stop us from completing this shit. Alright. So we ain't gotta move this. That was going through the thing. Alright. Calm down. We finna get moving now. This shit stopping this. Cool. Well, how they was looking? Are you saying that? Like, oh yeah. This shit started to round up. You don't care about it being like this. Oh. It's that little corner right there. We got this mound right here too. I ain't gonna cap. This mound is higher. This whole right here.
It's gonna be a flat up as long as it's flat. You feel me going up. Motherfucker's flat, yeah. The house flat, yeah.
Oh, you took the one that was up right here? I thought this, yeah, it was right there too, huh? If you do it with the paper, it'll stay where you want, yeah. Like, you can either put pressure down, because it's like a focal. It's gonna stay like that. You let it out, it'll show you where it's at. Put no pressure. You build it up to that. Just like that, yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. That was the point of all that pre-leveling.
Jump back, yo. Lay them over there.
Hey, let me see that.
Right here. Yeah, I just want to see. How y'all doing?
How you doing?
Little hot, little sweaty, bones aching, but we'll make it.
I hear you. We just got off work too.
Oh yeah, like you work in AC.
AC, shit. It's a car wash.
Oh,
We
yeah.
always outside.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
C1, C2.